Hi everyone, so today we're gonna make some Paris Brest. So previously we've done a choux pastry, and that's the little wheels that we're gonna use, yeah? So Paris Brest is a really classic French patisserie. They've been made for that race, the bicycle race from Paris to Brest in Brittany. And they've made it the shape of a wheel for the bicycle. So basically I'm just gonna remove the top bit. Just the top lid, yeah? Like 1/3 of the height. So we have a deeper base to fill it up with a beautiful praline mousse. There we go. I'll start with 6. So for the praline mousse, I'm gonna use some creme pats, which we've done as well previously in video. We're gonna use 200 grams of it, and we're gonna blitz it, yeah, with a whisk until nice and smooth. Okay. Then we're gonna put some praline. So there's different praline, or you can make your praline yourself. This one, it's a hazelnut praline that I go in. So I'm gonna use 140 grams. Mix those two things together. Okay. Now we're gonna get ready the whipping cream and the gelatine. So I got my mixing bowl from the freezer because they always whip better the whipping cream. And I'm gonna need 360 grams of whipping. Okay, so we're gonna whip that until a chantilly consistency. And we're gonna need also 3 gelatin leaves. 1, 2, 3. So this is the gold one. I'm gonna see how much quantity it is. 9 grams. In cold water. Okay. So the chantilly is well whipped, okay? So that's all good. The gelatin is soft. So we're gonna drain it. Put it in a small tub, melt it in the microwave. Not for long, 10 seconds. Okay. So this gelatin, because it's a small quantity, you can go straight into it. But don't be too long to mix it, otherwise the gelatin will set. So let's put it straight in and then mix it quickly, yeah? Okay, so the gelatin is well combined. And now we're gonna put our chantilly. So we start with 1 scoop. So I call it praline mousse, but actually it's a diplomat, yeah? A praline diplomat. And then the rest of the chantilly. Mix it very gently to keep as much air as possible inside. That's it. I'm gonna scrape the sides to keep it nice and tidy. A little tasty test. Okay, let's reserve it in the fridge. I have no space. Which fridge? This one. Okay. We're gonna get ready our piping bag and caramelize the top of those lids. So for that, I need a caramel, hot pan, little bit of sugar, and let it melt. It's not melting. It's coming. Okay, see, it's melting and start coloring as a caramel. So we're gonna add a bit more sugar because it's not enough. Little bit at a time. And it will melt pretty quickly. For the meantime, I got some roasted hazelnuts, which I'm gonna crack little bit to make it a bit thinner. Mix it with some roasted flaked almond, and that will be for my lids. Okay. Okay, caramel is ready now, you see. Just take it out of the stove, finishing melting the last pieces of sugar. If you leave it too long on the stove, it will take too much color. This has a nice caramel color. Take it here. I take my lids. And without burning your finger, just dip in caramel. Press it, give it a little press. Beautiful. There you go. See, so the lid will be super crunchy. It's gonna be delicious. Traditionally, I don't think they used to do that. Traditionally, they used to put the flaked almond or hazelnut on top of the choux pastry before baking, so the nuts stick into the choux pastry, and that's all. So you don't have that crunchy of the caramel. So I'm just gonna do a few more. Right. So my mousse. Up. Now see, the mousse is set. I'm using a star nozzle to have a nice pattern. So I'm gonna fill up the choux first. Fill it up to level. And then, beautiful swirly on top. And then the lid, I will put a little bit of icing sugar. A little bit of contrast with cocoa powder. Voilà. A little beauty. So let's finish the other one. That's it. It's cute, isn't it? It's not cute anymore. Ah. Oh my god. Can you hear the crunch? Delicious. That's all, guys. Enjoy.